Welcome back to Primetime News, and a special welcome to those of you watching on onespotmedia.com. We begin our election news coverage with Vashon Brown, who is at the Electoral Commission of Jamaica, the hub of the election day proceedings. Vashon, what can you tell us?
Thank you so much, Herman. I am live at the election center on Red Hills Road in St. Andrew. Now, as you can imagine, the polls closed at 5 p.m., so things will get pretty busy here, especially as the reports are preparing to come in from the various polling stations across the island. Now, just to give you some turnout information, at 11 a.m., turnout stood at 16%, and that's the all-island summary. Now, in 2016, turnout was at 16.96%, so pretty much around the same. Now, at 2 p.m., turnout for this election was at 31%, and this is based on information from 89 polling stations across the island. At 3 p.m. in 2016, turnout was at 39.94%. In terms of the various constituencies, now 3 constituencies with the highest turnout so far, again based on the 2 p.m. information that we received from the EOJ. St. Elizabeth Southeast, 40.69%, St. Elizabeth Southwest, 39.51%, and Clarendon North with 38.76%. In terms of the 3 constituencies recording the lowest turnout so far based on the 2 p.m. information, Kingston East and Port Royal, 21.44%, St. James Northwest, 23.85%, and St. Catherine West Central, 24.54%. Now, just to remind you that at the end of the general elections in 2016, turnout overall was roughly 48%, the lowest ever, except for in 1983 when the PNP did not contest that election. So that's the information we have for you at the moment from the EOJ, and we will continue to update those numbers for you, and we will be here at the election center right up until the point where a winner is announced. So please stay with us right here on TVJ. I'm Vashon Brown reporting live from the election center.
All right, thank you very much, Vashon Brown.